Hi, this is Ratan Gupta from Knowledge Varsity, and we are dealing with the problems of FRM Part 1 examination. Okay. Here the problem is given as a 182 US Treasury bill is trading at a discount of 3.4%. Find out the price of the T-bill, assuming that the face value of the T-bill is $100. Please note that this discount is also known as the quoted price of the T-bill. So in the examination, if they don't give you this discount and they say that it is the quoted price as equal to 3.4%, you need to know that this is discount. Okay, and they are finding out the price of the T-bill. So what should, if the face value is 100, what should be the price of the T-bill? Please note that there are two approaches to solve this problem. Okay, one approach is applying the formula that you have in the book. Second is applying the concept of bank discount yield and solve this problem. Okay, I would strongly recommend this approach of solving through the bank discount yield. However, if you want to find out that through the price, the formula is given. So the formula of using the price is given as face value into your 1 minus the percentage discount that is given into your number of days of the T-bill divided by 360. So this is through the formula method. Okay. However, please note that this formula has come from what we will see this approach of bank discount yield. I highly recommend this. The bank discount yield is given as discount, the discount of the bond or the treasury bill divided by the face value of the treasury bill into 360 divided by the number of days. Okay. So in this case, what we have been given is we have been given bank discount yield of 3.4%. So what you will see is 3.4% is the bank discount yield. 3.4 by 100 is equal to discount divided by face value is 100. Here we are computing, please note that the discount is computed in dollar term. Here it is given in percentage. We are interested in finding out in dollar term into 360 by T. The time is 182 days. Here this percentage is per annum. So you have done it on an annualized basis. We are interested in computing the actual discount. So if you solve this, what we have is discount, this 100 will get cancelled. The discount in terms of dollar would be given as 3.4 into 180 by 360. So if you solve it using the calculator, so it would be 3.4 into 182 divided by 360. So 1.7189. So the discount is $1.7189. Now for a treasury bill, the price is given as face value minus discount. Here what is the face value? The face value is $100 and discount is this value. So you can compute the price as this plus 100. So it is 98.2811. So the price of the treasury bill is 98.2811. This is adopting a approach of the bank discount yield. So if you want to solve it using the formula, what you have is the formula is given as the price is equal to face value and this is in the discount. So price would be given as face value is $100 into 1 minus the percentage discount is 3.4%. So 3.4 by 100 into number of days is 182 divided by 360. So we will put this same thing in the formula. So 3.4 divided by 100 into 182 divided by 360. So this is 0.0172. So we have to subtract this from 1. So I will do this plus minus plus 1. So it is 9828. So this value comes to 0.9828 and then we have to multiply 100. So what we will get is, if I multiply 100, I will get the price as 98.2811. So the price is 98.2811, the same price which we saw from the previous, right? So I would strongly recommend you to do this approach. Okay, even though it looks slightly lengthier, this is much more simpler than remembering this formula. Okay, so remember this formula, the bank discount yield formula, and you will be able to solve the problem related to this finds application in computation of the euro dollar futures price. Okay, which is, you will get one examination question sure shot. Okay, this is Ratan Gupta from Knowledge Varsity. Hope you like the question approach. Thanks.